welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the Python non-primitive data structure list. The properties, functions and operations. List is a collection of elements. It contains multiple data types and arrays supports a single data type. And list is ordered means which order you arrange the elements, the same order follows. So you can do the indexing and slicing. List always represented in the square brackets, and list is mutable means without changing the identity you can change the elements, means you can update it and you can delete the elements. So let me show you the code. I am going to explain the property one by one. So please follow me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. So here is the environment loading. So first property I said list represented in square brackets. So take one example. List 1 is equal to empty list here. You please check the type, what class it is. Type of list 1. You can see the class is list. Next, list is ordered means print of list 2. You can see which order I arrange the elements, the same order followed. Next, list contains multiple data types. So take A is equal to 10, 10.5. This is a float value, and Python is a string value, and 2 is a Boolean value. So print of A. You can see it here. So functions. So first, if you want to count how many elements are there in a given list, let's take the example. Here I want to count how many elements are there, then use the inbuilt function of len. Print of len is a inbuilt function. Write the variable name. So there are total 3 elements are there. And I want to check what is the maximum value in the list. So you can use the max of. So the maximum value is 30. And which is the minimum value? Min of A. You can see 10 is the minimum value. If you want to check the total, the sum value, just use the inbuilt function sum. You can see it. The total of the values is 60. Print, if you want to check the average value, so average is that means mean value. Mean is not inbuilt here, it is under the NumPy library. So if you want to find the average value, just write the formula sum of A divided by len of A. Now you can see the average value is 20. Anything you can do it. Next, this is the properties and operations and functions of the list. In next video, I am going to explain the list methods. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video. Thank you.